I'm Alison from Bag Lady Bird Learn to Sew, and I'm back with another fabric haul video. This week it is from Pound Fabrics. So let's see what I've got. I have not opened the parcel yet. It is still in its packaging, ready for you to see my first reaction. Okay, so what we've got here is a parcel from Pound Fabrics. Delivery was relatively quick. They said it'd be 7 days on the website, and pretty much that's what it was. Was delivered by Hermes. This fabric I'm quite excited to see, something I've been looking for a while. So we have got 3 meters of dark grey denim and 3 meters of indigo denim. So yeah, let's have a look at this. So it was £4 a metre for both, and shipping was $4.99. So the complete order came to $28.99. Okay, so this is the indigo. I would describe this as more of a stretch chambray than a denim. It's really quite lightweight, not denim weight at all. So it's not going to be suitable for what I was wanting to use it for. I was wanting to make a pair of Megan Nielsen Ash jeans. They're the stretch jeans. I mean, you could use it. It's just not denim weight. Just not that kind of jeans weight that you want in. This black, or dark grey as they described it, looks more promising as a jeans weight. It looks more jeany, more jeanified. This one I think had a lower lycra content on the website, although it still has some stretch. In fact, they both have. They both have a decent amount of stretch. So this would be good as some sort of jumpsuit actually. I've got 3 meters and I've got a pattern for the Peppermint magazine free jumpsuit. I think this will be perfect for that. So that may become that jumpsuit. And this will be my Megan Nielsen Ash jeans. A sort of marl effect on this dark grey. Quite like it. Definitely they're going to be the jeans, and this is going to be something different. A little disappointed with the weight of the indigo, to be honest with you. But there you go. You pay £4 a metre for denim. You've got to take what you get. So I'll be pre-washing these before use, and then I will cut them out and make them up. So keep a lookout on my other social media to see the made up versions of both of these. Just one final thing to add about the black denim is that there's a really a smell about it, and the smell reminds me of when I used to work in Topshop, and we used to have a denim delivery. So it just smells denimy. It's obviously whatever fixative they use to fix the dye or whatever. That's what it smells of. But it's a really distinctive smell. It's not horrible, but it's not what I want on my skin. So I'm going to pre-wash this for definite. I would have done anyway, but hopefully the pre-washing will get rid of that strange denim dye smell. So I've just opened the doors to my Love and Stitches club. This is an online membership club where you get access to sew-alongs, skills builder video tutorials, Q&A sessions, as well as an exclusive Facebook community and exclusive member-only discounts for fabric retailers and pattern designers. So I'd love to see you over there in the Love and Stitches Club. The link's in the description box below. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more great Learn to Sew videos that will help make you a better dressmaker.